In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive to your Windows taskbar. This is a really handy little setup because once you've got Google Drive pinned, you can open your files with a single click, just like any other app on your computer. No more digging through menus or searching every time you need a document. First, you'll want to make sure that Google Drive for Desktop is installed on your Windows computer. This is different from just using Google Drive in your browser. The desktop app lets Google Drive appear like a regular folder or drive on your machine. If you don't already have it, open your web browser, go to the Google Drive website, and look for the option to download Drive for Desktop. Download the installer, then run it and follow the on-screen instructions. It will guide you through a simple setup, which usually involves signing into your Google account and choosing how you want your files to sync. Once the installation is complete, Google Drive for Desktop will be available as an app in Windows. Now we're ready to pin it to the taskbar, so it's always within easy reach. On your Windows desktop, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen or press the Windows key on your keyboard. You'll see the Start menu appear. In the search field, start typing Google Drive. As you type, Windows will search through your installed apps and should quickly show the Google Drive application at the top of the results. When you see Google Drive in the search results, don't left-click it yet. Instead, move your mouse over the app and right-click on it. This opens a small context menu with a few different options. Look for the one that says Pin to Taskbar. Go ahead and left-click Pin to Taskbar. As soon as you do that, Windows will place the Google Drive icon on your taskbar, usually along the bottom of your screen. You can now click that icon at any time to launch Google Drive directly without searching for it. If you'd like, you can click and drag the Google Drive icon along the taskbar to reposition it next to your other frequently used apps. That's all there is to it. You've installed Google Drive for Desktop, found the app through the Start menu, and pinned it to your Windows taskbar for quick one-click access.